how Islam solves modern life problems in the West. In a world filled with stress, loneliness, broken families, and rising mental health struggles, people are searching for real answers. But what if the solutions to these modern Western problems were already revealed 1400 years ago? Today, we explore how Islam provides practical, powerful, and timeless guidance for today's modern life, especially in the West. Islam isn't just a religion, it's a complete lifestyle. It offers mental peace, social harmony, financial discipline, and a deep connection with the Creator. Let's break down how Islamic principles can help solve some of the biggest challenges people face today. 1. Mental health and inner peace. In the West, anxiety and depression rates are at an all-time high. Islam provides a natural system of spiritual mindfulness. The Qur'an says, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." Quran 13:28. Daily prayers, salah, create emotional balance, routine, and grounding. Scientific studies show that regular prayer and meditation reduce stress and improve brain function. Islam teaches, turn worries into prayer, trust the divine plan, practice gratitude, avoid overthinking. These principles bring a peace that modern life desperately lacks. 2. Family stability and relationships. Family breakdown is a major issue in Western society. Islam protects the family system through clear roles, mutual respect, and strong emotional rights. Prophet Muhammad said, "The best of you is the one who is best to his family." Tirmidhi. Islam encourages respect between spouses, strong parenting, financial responsibility, emotional support, kindness and forgiveness. These values strengthen homes and create healthier communities. 3. Financial discipline and debt prevention. In the West, millions struggle with credit card debt, interest, and overspending. Islam solves this with no interest riba, clear rules for charity, zakat, halal earnings, balanced spending. The Quran says Allah has permitted trade and forbidden interest, Quran 275. This system encourages fairness, prevents exploitation, and creates financial stability. 4. Purpose, identity, and self-worth. Many people in modern societies feel lost, searching for identity and purpose. Islam gives a clear answer. You were created with purpose, honor, and responsibility. Allah says, "I created mankind only to worship me." Quran 51:56. Islam teaches that every person has a purpose, a mission, divine value, a moral compass, a path to self-growth. This gives direction and confidence in a confusing world. 5. Community, brotherhood, and support. Loneliness is one of the biggest problems in Western countries. Islam builds a powerful sense of community called Ummah. The Prophet said, "The believers are like one body." Bukhari. Mosques provide friendship, support, belonging, social welfare, education. Islamic community life heals isolation. 6. Clean lifestyle and healthy habits. Islam promotes a healthy, disciplined lifestyle that fits perfectly with modern wellness. Teachings include avoiding alcohol and drugs, clean eating, halal and tayyib, fasting for detox, personal hygiene, regular physical movement. The Prophet said, "Your body has a right over you." These habits improve physical and mental health. Islam is not just ancient wisdom, it's a modern solution. It brings peace to the mind, harmony to families, clarity to finances, and purpose to life. That's why thousands in the West are discovering the beauty of Islam every single year. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful knowledge and Islamic insights.